What is the Pomodoro Technique?
The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method designed to boost focus and productivity. It involves working in short, uninterrupted intervals, typically 25 minutes, called Pomodoros, followed by short breaks. This approach helps break tasks into manageable chunks, prevents burnout, and makes it easier to track progress. Many people find it especially effective for overcoming procrastination and staying engaged with their work.
Getting ready, setting up.
To start with the Pomodoro Technique, all you need is a timer, a to-do list, and a distraction-free workspace. Choose one task to focus on and have your timer ready. This can be a kitchen timer, a phone app, or anything that counts down time. Before you begin, clear away distractions like notifications and prepare any materials you'll need.
Step 1. Work in focused intervals.
Set your timer for 25 minutes and begin working on your chosen task. During this time, focus solely on the task at hand. If a distracting thought pops up, jot it down quickly and return to your work. The key is to maintain uninterrupted concentration for the full interval.
Step 2. Take a short break.
When the timer rings after 25 minutes, stop working and take a 5-minute break. Use this time to stand up, stretch, grab some water, or simply relax. These short breaks help recharge your mind and keep your concentration sharp for the next round.
Step 3. Repeat and reward yourself.
Repeat the cycle. Work for 25 minutes, then rest for 5 minutes. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This longer pause helps prevent fatigue and allows you to reflect or reward yourself before starting another round of focused work.
Tips for success and customization.
Adjust the Pomodoro Technique to fit your workflow. If 25 minutes feels too short or too long, tweak the interval. Stay consistent, but be flexible as needed. Track your progress, celebrate completed Pomodoros, and remember, the real power of this method comes from steady, focused effort and regular breaks.